Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. Today I'll be covering electrical wiring phases specifically for commercial instruction and providing some quick tips. Here's a background about myself. My name is Paula Wong. I'm the CEO and founder of Ascend Network. We are a full service IT solution provider. We provide services ranging from power to protecting your network. I'm a licensed CE10 and C7 contractor and I have other certifications. I also have over 35 years of industry experience. So the five phases of electrical wirings are, the first phase is the pre-construction and planning phase. This is the phase where you review the plan, drawings, and specifications. Phase two is the underground and slab roughing phase. This is the phase where you install the conduit, sleeve, floor boxes, lighting, and power feeds. It is also the phase where you work on bonding jumpers, grounding electrodes, and grounding rings. Phase three is the above slab or roughing slash framing stage. This is the phase where you install the conduits for power, lighting, fire alarm, data, and control. If you're working on a wireless access point project, this is the phase where you install the physical wiring. And it is also the phase where you work on any home runs and branch conductors. Phase four is the trim out and finish wiring phase. It is the phase where you install and connect switches, outlets, and other electrical devices. In the WAPS example, it is the phase where you work on the physical installation of the WAPs. Phase five is the final inspection and commissioning phase. So I wanted to highlight phase three, the above slab roughing slash framing stage. So if you work on a wireless heat map, it is critical that you have an electrician review the wireless heat map and make sure that the WAP mounting locations are accurate and that it will provide optimal coverage and avoid any dead spots and minimize the need for future wiring. Again, the key is to avoid finding out later that the wiring is not correct or a dead spot exists, which would require the WAP to be removed. So in conjunction with phase three, phase four is the trim out and finish wiring. For the WAPs example, it is the phase where the physical WAPs installation is done. That is it. Thank you for joining us today. Make sure you subscribe and like our video. That is my contact information. Do feel free to reach out if you have any question or would like for me to cover any topics. Thank you.